Grinch Witch has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to her. And here's what she did with it. I love these builds that she did. It's a really futuristic look, and I like the clean look to them. So many the post-apocalyptic environment is whatever you imagine the post-apocalyptic environment to be. As you know, these Silva challenges aren't necessarily Gaswan's builds. They can be sci-fi, they can be anything. It's kind of like your look into the future. And I love this look. That's such a good look there. And then this, I love it because it's like a Batmobile with wings and guns on the wings. And the fact that it's a Batmobile that has those kind of bat wings added to it gives it such a cool look. And it's flying. I don't know if you could see that, but it's on a stand, so this is actually flying above the others, which is cool. So I really do appreciate these builds. There's another cool angle of it, you know? So fortunately, she sent quite a few photos, so we get a lot of looks at it different ways. I love the fact that the guns are blue on there. I mean, that's something that it's kind of like in the future, if I could paint my guns blue, why wouldn't I, to match the car? And why wouldn't you want a car to look cool? There's always going to be somebody that wants their car to look cool. You know, it's kind of like driving around town now. There's a lot of cars that look really crappy. They are not clean. There's nothing nice about them. And then there's always, you know, some that really stand out, people who take care of their stuff. And that's what I like about this look. It's like, these are people who are proud of their cars and their destructive ability that goes with them. Because, yeah, these aren't friendly cars. And this one, it has this steampunk wildish look to it. And to be honest, the thing I love about this build is that casting that she used. I absolutely hate the wheels on that casting. But she found a way to make it work. And by putting those gears on there, it actually makes those wheels fit the build. So there you have it. Her videos usually appear on the Santa Slowdog channel. Be sure and check out the link in the description to this video. I hope you enjoyed those builds. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.